In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply reverse vlookup in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever needed to look up a value to the left of your reference column, this technique is incredibly useful. Normally, VLOOKUP searches from left to right, which means it can only return values from columns positioned to the right of the lookup column. A reverse VLOOKUP helps work around that limitation, and in this example, we'll use it to find an employee-related value by searching with the employee name. To begin, go to the worksheet and click on cell E2. This is where you'll enter the name you want Excel to search for. Type Natalie into cell E2, then press enter if needed. This cell will act as your lookup value, meaning Excel will use the text in E2 to search through your data table. Once the name is in place, select the cell where you want the result to appear and enter this formula. Equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, E2, comma, choose, open parenthesis, curly bracket, 1, 2, curly bracket, comma, B2 through B6, comma, A2 through A6, close parenthesis, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. Written normally, the formula is equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, E2, comma, choose, open parenthesis, curly bracket, 1, 2 curly bracket, comma, B2 colon B6, comma, A2 colon A6, close parenthesis, comma, 2, comma, false the close parenthesis. Here's what that formula is doing. VLOOKUP is searching for the value in E2, which is Natalie. But instead of using the original table directly, it uses the choose function to rearrange the data temporarily. Choose creates a virtual two-column table where the names in B2 through B6 become the first column and the values in A2 through A6 become the second column. That's the key to making reverse lookup work. The number 2 tells Excel to return the value from the second column of that virtual table, and false tells Excel to look for an exact match. Using false is important here because you want the result for the exact employee name you typed, not a close match. After entering the formula, press enter and Excel will return the matching value from column A based on the employee name in column B. If you want to test it further, you can replace the name in E2 with another name from your list and watch the result update automatically. That's how to apply reverse VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel using VLOOKUP and choose together.